In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the most expensive and biggest box of fingerboard parts that I have unboxed on the channel so far. This box just came in from Teak Tuning, and I bought a bunch of stuff from their 10-year anniversary sale. So I'm super excited to get it open and see everything that I bought close up in person. It's kind of late for me right now, and I'm super excited to open this and unbox it. So I'm going to keep this video super short and get right into opening up the box and checking everything out. And the first thing coming out, I'm going to go ahead and put the prices of what they were originally, but keep in mind a lot of this stuff was up to 45% off. And there's also this 1 of 10-year anniversary board that I'm super excited to unbox and try out, but I'll save that for a little bit later in this video. I'm going to check out everything else. So for the most part, I got a bunch of trucks. These are the V2 with the standard base plates in, I believe, a light yellow color. Then we got some Teak Tuning bubble bushings in purple, another set in pink, pink and white swirl, got a white and green, kind of like a green apple swirl, super bright pink color. Next set are kind of these like pastel colors, look pretty cool. These were an extra $1, I'm not sure why, but they look really cool. They're bright reddish orange. And then I've got the black and green swirl. I think these were just like a blue and or maybe like a turquoise and pink. And then the bright green. Next up is a yellow and bright green swirl. And then in here, looks like a set of kind of like lighter pink. And then I also picked up a pair of CNC plastic wheels. These were also part of the 45% off sale. So super good deal. And these were the V2 trucks. These were not 45% off. These are their new trucks. And they actually come with inverted kingpin base plates, and you actually get 2 sets of base plates. So I'm super excited to try those out. And then these are a set that were on the 45% off sale, but they are the V1, so the base plates look like they're a little bit different. And they still come with the bubble bushing, which is a pretty good deal, especially with the sale. Grand total, if I would have bought everything full price, would have been $225 plus tax, which is around $250. And fortunately, I did not spend that. I bought it on sale. I got everything for $140, including tax and shipped. And most of it was actually this board. This is a complete setup. It is the 10-year anniversary Teak tuning board to help celebrate their 10-year anniversary. There's only 10 of these that were made and sold, and it's got a X on the bottom, which is the Roman numeral 10 to help celebrate the 10-year anniversary. This will be my first split ply fingerboard, and I also really like that the Teak Tuning logo is laser engraved into the bottom ply. I can't wait to get this setup unboxed and set up and try everything out. That'll be the next video coming up on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button as well as subscribe if you'd like to see more fingerboarding videos. And lastly, I want to give a big shout out to Teak Tuning. Congratulations on the 10-year anniversary. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the Santa Cruz Tech Deck Performance Series upgrade that I did with all Teak Tuning parts. That was the last video. Also, Teak Tuning was nice enough to make a discount code for the channel. So if you end up buying anything on teaktuning.com, you can use the code STICKYFB for an additional 10% off of your order. And I tried it on some sale items and it worked for me additionally on top of the sale. So definitely some good deals to check out. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, peace.